Stop wasting time in the Windows 11 settings app. You're doing in the hard way. There are much simpler ways to open network connections instantly. Let's dive in. Hello everyone and welcome to the CNATT channel. Let's start with the easiest way. Open the Start menu, type Network Connections, then select View Network Connections from the best match results. The classic network connections window will open instantly. From here, you can view your network adapters, check your local IP address, change DNS settings, and manage other connection options. To make it easier to access in the future, you can create a network connections shortcut on your desktop or pin it to the Start menu. Drag and drop its icon onto the desktop. You can also pin the shortcut to the Start menu by right-clicking it and selecting Pin to Start. Another method is to use the Run dialog box. Right-click the Start button and select Run, or press Windows R on your keyboard. Type ncpa.cpl, then press Enter or click OK. The Network Connections window will open. And finally, you can also access the newer network settings page in Windows 11. Right-click the network icon on the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Or right-click the Start button and select Network Connections. This opens the Network and Internet page in the Settings app, where you can manage the main network options from one place. That's it! If you want to go deeper, I also have separate tutorials on how to change DNS settings and how to change network connections priority. I'll leave the links in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.